Do you want to invest, but you have debt holding you back? Well, in this video, I'm going to give you a method that will help you reach your debt-free goals. No matter the type of debt you have, whether it's student loans or car loans, this method is a sure way to help you reach your goals. In this video, I will be talking about the Avalanche Method. The Avalanche Method is the most strategic method, mathematical-wise, to help you pay off your debt. First, you prioritize your debts from largest to smallest based upon the interest rate. Next, you start paying off your debt that has the highest amount of interest rate first. However, you would still pay the minimum balance on all of your other debts. In this example, we have our list of our debts and we are prioritizing them based upon the interest rate. So as you can see, the credit card debt has the highest interest rate, so this is the debt that we are paying off first. Then from there, we will focus on the student loans, which has the second highest interest rate, and then lastly, it will be the car loan. We don't pay attention to the balance of each loan, but rather we focus just on the interest rate and pay off the highest interest rate first. Why the Avalanche Method makes the most mathematical sense is because ideally you're saving money if you pay off your debt that has the highest interest rate first. There's less money going towards interest, so as you continue to pay off your debt, more money is used to go towards the principal. Now, if you want to learn about another strategy that is more based upon building momentum, then check out this next video.
Freedom!
So fresh, so new.
Freedom!
It's all for you.
All for you. Freedom!
Keep your ear to the ground.
Talking about freedom!
It's the best show in town.
Let's show you that freedom!